Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to navigate on the bed movement tab within the case management screen. The bed movement screen facilitates the effective monitoring of a patient's bed and ward transitions within the hospital. This feature aids the hospital in accurately tracking a patient's location and key case-related information. In this video, we will start on the case management screen. To find the desired case, whether active, finalized, archived, etc., click on the Active drop-down menu and choose the All option. Opting for the All selection simplifies the process of locating the correct case. Now, let's locate the desired patient by clicking on the Search by Patient Case field. With the patient list now filtered, select the data from the results. The Case Management sidebar will open. To learn more on the Case Management sidebar, please refer to the Case Management screen sidebar, Navigation and Use user manual, linked in this video's description. Click on the Case Edit button. The Hospital Case screen will open. For more information regarding the Hospital Case screen, please refer to the How to Create a New Hospital Case user manual, linked in this video's description. Now, click on the Bed Movement tab located on the navigation bar. We will now take a look at the various fields and columns shown within this screen. Click on the Filter Expander button. Within the Filter section, you are able to filter the bed management list according to any relevant case or bed information. Click on the Context Filter drop-down menu. Between the two options on the list, the default filter option will grant you an additional case number field. For the purpose of this video, choose the Context Filter option. To choose the wards to display, click on the Wards drop-down menu and make your selection. For more information regarding wards, please refer to Create a Service Center user manual, linked in this video's description. Click on the Rooms drop-down menu and select the specific rooms to show on the report. To select the specific beds to display, click on the Beds drop-down menu and make your selection. To learn more about beds, please refer to the Bed Setup user manual, linked in this video's description. Click on the Bed Types drop-down menu and select the applicable bed types to display. For more information regarding bed types, please refer to the Bed Types user manual, linked in this video's description. Select the time in and out dates by clicking in their respective fields and complete the applicable dates and times. Alternatively, you can click on a calendar icon to open the date picker, enabling you to easily select both dates and times. Lastly, click on the Created By drop-down menu and select the applicable account users to display. Once all the information is completed, click on the Update Results button. If you want to clear all the fields, click on the Reset Filters button. We will now go over the additional buttons located at the top right of the list. To add a new bed movement, click on the Add New button. The Transfer Case screen will open, where you are able to transfer the patient to a bed. Click on the Expand Widths button to auto-fit the column width to the information within all columns. Click on the Reset Widths button to restore the original widths after any modifications were done. Click on the Sort Columns button to sort the columns in the order that you desire. To learn more regarding sorting columns, please refer to the How to Sort Columns on Report and List Screens user manual, linked in this video's description. To select which columns to be displayed on the list, click on the Choose Columns button. To learn more regarding choosing columns, please refer to the How to Choose Columns on Report and List Screens user manual, linked in this video's description. All of the relevant bed movement information will be displayed within the columns on the screen. To learn more in regards to the buttons displayed at the bottom of the screen, please refer to the How to Create a New Hospital Case user manual, linked in this video's description.